Alright, we're recording the sewer line here at 11757 22nd Ave Northeast. Date is March 1st, 2021. What we're looking at here is the Seattle City mainline sewer running down 22nd outside here. So we pull back from here. This is responsibility to maintain, repair, replace of the homeowner. The city takes over at this point. So coming back from here, got the footage zeroed out. We're coming back into the homeowner line here. So 6-inch diameter concrete pipe. See, it's getting a little bit worn, aggregate along the bottom. See, we're just doing a couple of turns right down there near the main. This is, like I said, 6-inch diameter concrete pipe here. So we're running along the south side of the homes in between these two houses. The home to the south. See a seam about every 2 feet in the pipe. Start to see a little bit of waste build up in this area. See a tie-in to the pipe on the right side of the line there. So we've got a tie-in coming into the line. We come back around this corner into 4-inch diameter pipe. So it goes from 6-inch diameter to 4-inch right here. You can see that our diameter has gotten smaller. And you get a lot of waste buildup through here. Quite a bit. And then we come back into the PVC pipe here, and then up out to our clean out access there. So there's our access to the line. That's where I made this video from. Do a little bit of locating, but we're going to call that the end of the recording.